Overall, I'm finally getting the hang of my loc journey, and it only took me 20 months. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romani, and today I want to talk to you about my loc journey, specifically months 19 and 20. If you haven't watched my previous loc journey videos, I'm gonna link one on the screen somewhere around here, and then I'm gonna leave the rest of them in the description box below. So after you finish this, or even before you start this, go check those out. But if you have been watching my videos and you were expecting a 19-month loc journey update last month, you know that I was not present. I just feel like there was so much going on. I feel like I was doing so much and I was not able to record any videos. So that's why this video is going to be 2 months. So we're gonna do 19 and 20. For the majority of month 19, my hair was in rope twists with loc knots at the bottom, and I will leave a video tutorial about how I did that down below, and then I'll also leave a retwist video down below. Okay, so I don't know what month I told y'all this, but I know I said that I was gonna stop protective styling my hair. I literally feel like every time I tell y'all something, after the video gets posted, I have the urge to do what I told y'all I wasn't gonna do. Because I kid you not, right after I told y'all I was not going to protective style, I was like, I need twists in my hair. So that's what I did. I went back on my word. I did protective style. I did my rope twist, and I actually really like rope twists because they allow my retwist to last longer. But I will say, I don't know, let's preface this with, I know my hair is beautiful, I know it's growing, I don't need any comments about that. What I'm going to say is, sometimes I don't feel like the length of my hair, like the current length of my hair, is as long as I want it to be for my twist. So when I twist my hair, I want it to be this length. But of course, when you twist your hair, and you do loc knots, it kind of shrinks up a little bit. So it's like right here. I am not a big fan of it. I just don't like it on me because of course my twists are chunky. So it's like very chunky locks, and it's right here. It just gives the appearance of a big head. And so even though I do like my rope twist, it takes me a few days to get used to it because I'm not gonna lie, like I just kind of feel insecure for like the first 5 days. And I'm sure that this is all in my head, and I probably don't even look like I have a big head with little baby twists. But when I look in the mirror the first day that I do my twist, I'm like, But when we keep going, I end up liking them. And so that is why my hair was twisted for the entire August. Well, not really the entire August. The last few days of August is when I ended up taking the twist out. I love twist outs with locks. I think that it looks so beautiful because your retwist has stayed, so like your hair is the longest that it could possibly be, and then it's just wavy, and I love the wavy look with me. The only thing is that when I take my twist out and my hair is loose like this, my roots start to puff up, so it's not retwisted like it was. And if you watch my videos, you know that I have like a love-hate relationship with the puffy roots. I have come to the understanding that your roots are not going to lock. Since I have like 4C hair, it just puffs up a lot, and I'm not saying that I don't like my hair texture. I'm just saying my hair gets puffy at the top and the rest of my hair is not puffy. So like sometimes it can just look like my hair is sitting on top of my head. Like, I don't know, my roots just puff up when I sweat. Speaking of sweating and puffy roots, I sweat so much because if you watch my videos, you know that I'm a personal trainer. A little shameless plug for this video, I offer in-person training in Los Angeles, California. And then if you're not in LA, I offer virtual training via FaceTime. And if that option still doesn't work for you, I have online workout plans and online meal plans. And I have my own line of shapewear. So all of that is going to be in the description box below. And you can use the code YouTube for some money off. But back to the video. My roots puff up. It looks like my hair is sitting on top of my head. And then because I'm sweating, I have to wash my hair. So don't let me wash my hair and not retwist it. That is sitting. It's sitting. It's puffy and it's sitting. So the curly and elongated locks that I had at the end of August only lasted but so long. So for the entire September, my roots have been puffy. And in previous months, when I'm in this situation, when I'm in between retwist and my roots are puffy, I would usually give myself a braid out. So I would you know, braid each of these down and just wear my hair wavy. But my ends are not having it. Like the ends of my hair, they don't want me to do that, and I'm okay with it. I truly enjoy doing braid outs and twist outs, but because I have colored hair, and I talked about this in one of my previous videos, I think it was the 16 or 17 month Loc update, but I talked about how my ends seem really weak, and I'm assuming it's because they are colored. And it's so crazy because I hadn't even dyed my hair until maybe like 2 years ago was my first time dyeing my hair, and I could tell a little bit when I was just like a loose natural. I could tell that my ends were just kind of iffy, but in Locs I feel like I can really tell because your end won't look the same as the rest of your hair shaft. And that's not to say that my ends are like super weak and they're breaking off and they're brittle, but you can definitely tell a difference in the non-dyed hair and then the dyed hair. So for that reason, I don't really do the braid outs anymore because I be like braiding, and then at the end I don't even feel comfortable braiding because my ends are not thick enough, so I'll like twist it, and even the twist at the bottom is just, my ends are not having it. Which is also why I really shouldn't have done those rope twists last month. I just really was tired of my roots being puffy. I really shouldn't have done those twists because even like doing lock knots, you have to like constantly wrap your ends around. My ends just want me to stop touching my fucking hair. So I'm going to do that. That's what I'm doing. That's why it just looks like this. I'm not doing anything because I don't want to have broken off ends in a couple months. Like I don't want to be manipulating my hair so much that I just completely mess it up. So I have not done anything but just wear the puffy roots, and I think that I am at a length where the puffy roots don't look as, I don't want to say bad because they were never bad, but when my hair was at a shorter length, I didn't feel very comfortable having puffy roots, similar to what I talked about earlier when I said like my hair kind of sits on top of my head. It was like short, it was like short. Okay, imagine my hair like being this length and then sitting. It was just not giving what I needed it to give, you know? But now that my hair has been growing, I actually don't even mind it being like this. I think that it looked cool, you know? It is of course not my preference. I would like my hair to be retwisted, but it's cool for the time being. And I learned to tie my hair down. So I don't know if this sounds dirty, but of course I can't wash my hair after every time I go to the gym. So yes, my hair has like sweat in it after the gym that I don't wash out all the time. When I feel like my hair is damp and it's going to like really start to like expand, I just put a scarf on and tie it down while it's in that like wet state. And by the time I take my scarf off, my hair is like this. Actually, like a couple hours before this video, I was working out and my hair was really damp, and so I just put a scarf on and you can kind of see like it's flat. I know that that probably sounds dirty, but it really shouldn't because I literally cannot wash my hair after every time I go to the gym. So it's gonna be sweat in my hair. Whatever, y'all get what I'm saying. Right now, I'm not gonna say that I wish my ends would cooperate because I know what I need to do in order for them to cooperate. However, I will say sometimes I be wishing my ends were just a little bit thicker, but that's why I've started to moisturize my hair a lot more. Speaking of moisturization, I'm not about to sit here and lie to y'all and act like I've been moisturizing my hair a lot. My hair has been feeling like a brick for the past 2 weeks and I could not figure out why. So I had to go back to the drawing board and I'm like, okay, Romani, what are you doing differently than you were doing at the beginning of your Loc journey? Because you did not experience this dryness at the beginning of your Loc journey. But y'all remember, I was using rose water at the beginning of my Loc journey. But me, I'm the type of person when I run out of something, there's nothing that clicks in my head to tell me to go get that thing again. So after I completely ran out of rose water, I never made any rose water again. and I was just kind of using regular water, which was cool. And then for the past like 3 months, I was only using aloe vera juice, and my hair was the driest that it had ever been. So I've come to the conclusion that I don't need to be using aloe vera juice by itself. I need to be mixing it with rose water. Rose water is what really keeps my hair hydrated. So for the past 2 days, I've been using rose water on my hair, and I can definitely see and feel the difference. I actually recorded myself making the rose water. Like, I recorded a little tutorial and I put it on my Instagram reels, and I'll link that down below. Let me know if y'all want me to make a full video on YouTube about it, because I do still have a little bit of roses left and I can do that for y'all. Overall, I'm finally getting the hang of my loc journey, and it only took me 20 months. Nah, but for real, I'm just really understanding what my hair likes, why it feels certain ways on certain days, what I need to be doing to make sure my hair is moisturized, what I need to be doing to make sure my ends flourish, what I need to do to make sure I enjoy the puffy root stage. Like, I'm really understanding everything. Well, of course, we never understand everything because there's always something else to learn. But for the most part, I'm really understanding a lot about my loc journey that I didn't understand in previous loc journey videos. I feel like I've always been trying to figure out what to do, but in this 20th month, I'm feeling like a know-it-all. Even outside of my locs, I'm just really understanding myself better. And I think that that just comes with the loc journey. As these grow, you grow inside. I'm really seeing that. I'm really seeing that about myself. And of course, I'm just always grateful to have embarked on this journey. If you're watching this and you're new in your journey, as you just heard me say, it took me 20 months to finally feel like I knew something about my loc journey. So if you're new to this journey, just be patient, because it'll come. The knowledge is gonna come, the length is gonna come, the fulfillment is going to come. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Please leave me a comment and let me know if anything that I said resonated with you, or if you have any topics that I haven't covered yet that you would like me to cover. I'm gonna leave all my social platforms below, along with my personal training services. And if you want to step into 2023 fit, fine, and just feeling your best, of course, come seek me out, because I'm always ready to help. And again, don't forget that you can use the code YouTube for some money off at checkout. That is all, and I will see you guys for my next video.